Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time.
To replace the 1.5-inch drain bellow tension clamp in your LG washer, you will need channel lock pliers and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Now set the washer on its back. Depending on the location of the repair, slide back the tension clamp. Then remove the end of the bellow and detach the clamp. To install the new drain bellow tension clamp, slide the clamp over the end of the bellow and reattach the bellow. Slide the clamp to secure the bellow. Sit the washer upright. Rethread the water supply lines over the hot and cold inlets. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply. Plug the power cord back in. And your washer should be ready for use.